Hello and welcome to another update video about Niob. Just want to make you aware that I think a next price jump is imminent here in the Niob pre-sale. If you don't know what Niob is, it is a decentralized exchange, pretty much an ecosystem. They will also have an NFT exchange and they will offer yield farming and staking, all from the wallet, including cash, fiat cashing in and cashing out directly from the app. That is their plan. It's still very early days. We are still in a pre-sale. As with every new project in a pre-sale, there is always risk. So if you decide to invest in Niob, please make sure that you've done your research, that you're comfortable with the project and that you're comfortable with the risk, because in every project there is risk. And I personally have a really good feeling about the project. I participated in various webinars, Zoom calls, in which other investors took part as well, and obviously the team members as well. I found that really interesting. I know that the team members are also working on other projects outside of Niob, which makes me confident as well. And they have submitted, or they have basically a track record of successful projects in the past as well. Now from that, first of all, I just wanted to talk about the imminent price jump, but also wanted to talk about the roadmap a little bit and how you can actually buy Niob, because these questions come up all the time. So first of all, the next price jump will be in around 100K of more investment, going from 21 to 22 cents. They will launch in 3.5 weeks on the 21st of December. And overall, I'm really excited about it. So if you decide to buy Niob and actually want to know how do you actually register, so you go to the website that you can find in the description. There's a link in the description that you can follow. Then you can register on that website, and then you go to, in your dashboard, when you log in, you get basically to this dashboard. You go to buy tokens, and what you can see there is that you can pay with Bitcoin, with Ethereum, with USDT, with BNB, and if you have earned a commission, basically by for example, if you use the link in the description, that's a referral link, then basically you or I earn a commission if you decide to buy any tokens. But on the other hand, if you log in, you get a ref link as well. And then if you send that ref link to anyone else and that person will buy any tokens, you will get a commission as well. Overall, what this is just a way of how they market this product. Or this D app. What is important to understand is that everybody needs a ref link when signing up. So you can't actually sign up without a ref link. So also I needed to use a ref link of someone else to actually register. Now this project is running on the Binance Smart Chain for now. They plan to take on other chains as well, other blockchains. They mentioned before maybe Avalanche, but they weren't sure yet. So they start with the Binance Smart Chain first. Overall, as I said, you can buy with these cryptocurrencies here. And if you decide to do that, there is a limit. So for example, if you want to buy with ETH or USDT, you have to spend at least $500 as a minimum. But if you pay with Bitcoin or BNB, it's only $100. Yeah, so that's important to understand. If you decide, for example, USDT, what I did as well, make sure it is the ERC20 token. Very important. They currently only support the ERC20 token. And if you decide to do that, you basically click on that. There you go. Have to type in at least $500 here, 500 USDT. There's a bit of a weird slider here, which basically increases the value. It's not great. I wouldn't use it. Then you go to buy now. And what you can then see is that, payment method, amount in USD, whatever, equal token, how many tokens you would get. And then you click on buy now. I don't do that now, then you will see my address. But what you will see there is your address then that you will send your USDT to. And I used Binance for the transfer. It was very easy. All you need to do is basically give Binance then this USDT address, ERC20 tokens. The gas fee is annoying, yes, but you can also use Bitcoin, for example, and the fee here is lower for a transfer typically. And that's pretty much how you buy. It's fairly simple. You have to send, and I want to stress that, you have to send the exact amount. So $500 or USDT from Binance, 500 USDT, but please add to that the transfer fee. Yeah, you have to do that. You have to add the transaction fee. So in the end, you will actually spend more than 500. You will spend whatever, 525 or something. That is important. If you don't do that, it will still arrive as far as I know, but it will take longer because they have to then manually allocate your funds. Overall, I would, to make it easy and not to get a headache, I would always add the gas fee or the transaction fee, and then basically it will be added automatically. It took for me around 15 minutes when I bought. Also important to know, you need to do KYC when you want to basically sell your tokens at any point in time. Now you can't sell them yet because you need to wait until this project goes live. Then if you decide to invest, this will be locked, and then you will get your tokens 25% and on launch date, and then I think every 30 days you will get the other 25%. This is how you buy. And then looking at the roadmap, basically launch and listing is in Q4. So also they will do Niob token burning, listing on DApp radar, and contract verifying on BSC scan. Now Q1 will be interesting because they will announce a strategic partnership. I want to stress that. Don't know what that is yet, but they will announce a strategic partnership. Find that really interesting. Audit from TechRate as well in January. Listing on the first centralized cryptocurrency exchange. They already said here LA Token and Whitebit. So if they list Niob on a centralized exchange, even though it might be a small exchange, it will certainly, in my view, be very positive for that project here. And I think they're going to spread out then, be listed on various exchanges as well. Also start of sharing season, trading competition, and so on. Also listing on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap will be in January, which is great. And also in Q1 they plan to do they plan to launch their NFT platform and an NFT launchpad, which will be great. And then in April, they carry on. They've got a busy roadmap for 2022. They want to redesign the main page, have also a limited NFT auction sale, and so on. So they're going to go into 2022 with a full roadmap. But certainly what will be very interesting is that on the 21st of December, when you invested, you can start to earn, or you can start to participate in yield farming. The APY will be massive, will be really high. Rewards have been promised because they need the liquidity. So you can participate in yield farming. If you're an early investor, you get a 24 hours heads up that you can set up your farm. So you can start with yielding, I think apparently from the app. So you will be able to stake, earn, farm, and swap tokens from the wallet. From the D app, basically from the wallet on your smartphone apparently. And this will be a multi-chain swap anyway, so it will be highly interesting. So I'm really positive about this project. To be honest, it's always important to be aware of the risk anyway if you're investing in a short-term, in a very early project. Yeah, so be aware of that. But I think it's a chance to get into a project very early with still good price and good potential, because even if you just if you hold your tokens and you do the yield farming, the rewards seem to be really, really high, especially in the beginning. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that. It's exciting to be part of or to invest in a project that early, especially if you have the chance to attend, Zoom meetings, Zoom calls, webinars, and so on. And so hopefully you liked the update video about Niob. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.